Welcome to our channel. If you want to secure your MetaMask wallet to protect your cryptocurrency from hackers, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Write down your secret recovery phrase, seed phrase, on paper and store it in multiple secure physical locations. Never store it digitally or take photos. Step 2. Create a strong password for your MetaMask wallet with at least 12 characters including uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special characters. Step 3. Enable password requirement for each transaction by going to Settings, Security and Privacy and turning on Require Password for transactions. Step 4. Regularly review and revoke permissions for DeFi protocols and dApps you no longer use through websites like revoke.cash to minimize attack surface. Step 5. Never share your seed phrase or private keys with anyone, and be extremely cautious of phishing websites that mimic legitimate crypto platforms. Step 6. Use a dedicated browser or device exclusively for crypto transactions to reduce exposure to malicious extensions or software. Step 7. Verify transaction details carefully before confirming, including recipient addresses and smart contract interactions, as blockchain transactions are irreversible. Step 8. Consider using a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor for large holdings, connecting it with MetaMask for maximum security with convenient access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.